Hi everyone, Scott back here from the Weiser Science Museum with two of my dinosaur experts, Allie and Loki. We had a little boo-boo with our Dinosaur Femur here. Piece cracked out of there. Can you point that out, Loki?
Yeah.
We're going to be fixing that today, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a little boo-boo.
Little boo-boo. This is the piece from the boo-boo. So we got to put some glue on here. And we're going to have Loki help me put some glue on here. And we're going to have Allie push it into place where it goes. It's kind of like a puzzle. All right. Loki, I'm going to need you, the glue is already at the top here, I need you to squeeze some of this down into the little spot there, okay? I'll tell you when. Keep going, keep going. All right, that's good. And then could you put a little blob of glue right on the piece here? Just a little. Perfect. That's perfect.
Squeeze that out.
Could you put the cap back on the glue for me, please? Just squeeze it on there. Okay, Allie, can you help me push this back into place? It goes like this. Ready? It is tiny. Can you hold on to it? All right. Now walk your way up. And you should be able to push it right into there.
Final piece. The final piece.
Perfect. We'll do one little push.
There we go.
How's that look? Does that look like your good handiwork?
Uh-huh.
I think you're ready to be a paleontologist and help me with other bigger repairs sometime. But for now, we'll look at this and know that this was fixed by Allie and Loki.
Yeah, because it's still glass. Yeah. Yeah, those. Just spell my name Loki. That's how you spell my name.
Well, let's wave bye to everybody at the Weiser Science Museum and we can have them thank you for your hard work. Can you wave to Trevor?
Bye.
Bye, everyone.